Hello student, today we will do question number 20 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So first we will simplify this ex 2 plus sine 2x, we can write 2 sine x cos x divided by 1 plus cos 2x, we can write this 2 cos square x. Here this can be written ex we will divide this 2 by 2 cos square x plus 2 sin x into cos x divided by 2 cos square x. So 2 and 2 will cut, 2 cut, and cos will be cut, cos and power will be cut. So here will be ex 1 by cos square x. So 1 by cos square x. Here will be sin x by cos x. We can write this ex, this is sec square x plus tan x. Now we will integrate this. Integration of 2 plus sine 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x ex dx is equal to integration of, we will integrate this tan x plus sec square x dx. So for integration of this we will use one formula is ex f x plus f dash x is dx is equal to ex fx, that is plus c. So by using this formula we see here that this is ex and tan x. If a function is tan x and differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So by using this formula we will integrate that ex into tan x plus c. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.